Want to connect your OctaFX account to MetaTrader 5? Here's how. First, open the MT5 app on your phone. On the main screen, tap Menu, then select Manage Accounts. Now hit the plus button and choose Login to an existing account. In the search bar, type OctaFX and select the correct server. You'll find the server name inside your OctaFX account dashboard. Once selected, enter your login ID and password provided by OctaFX, then tap Sign In. After a few seconds, your account will be linked, and you'll be able to see your balance and start trading directly on MT5. That's it. Your OctaFX account is now connected smoothly to MetaTrader 5. You're watching RapidGuide channel. Follow for more quick trading tutorials.